Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm continuing with my Cararama videos, and in this one I'm gonna show you the Audi A3. In this particular Audi A3, I like the color and the wheels. They're very nicely made. Also, there are a lot of nice details in this car model that are really good and makes it a very nice part of anybody's collection. So without further ado, let me take it out of the box. And now let me take it off the stand. I'm really amazed by the attention to detail that went into making this Audi model. The front end, the wheels, interior, exterior, everything is really nicely made. At the back you can see nice tail lights made of separated piece of plastic, as well the A3 emblem, 3.2 emblem, and an Audi emblem below the rear window. Also you can see the exhaust tips. Front you can see the headlights that are made also from a separate piece of plastic, the grille, their fog lights, and a license plate. Very nice details. The wheels are just amazing. You can see that the trim around the windows is also very nice. There's a windshield wiper at the back as well. The interior is very nicely made. It's a beige color. The seats are very detailed. It has the dashboard is nicely detailed as well. Okay guys, so this is gonna be the end of my Audi A3 video by Cararama. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. I'm gonna be releasing more Cararama videos soon. Also, if you're looking to buy this nice Audi, I'll leave a link for you down in the description. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.